Hi, welcome to Model Marvels. Thought we'd take a look at the TR211M Excavator from Top Race. It's all metal and weighs in at around 9 kilos. That's body, arm, tracks, everything. The model is nicely presented in a storage case, and as you can see from this picture, it actually comes with a grab as well as a jackhammer attachment. Here the model is lifting just under 1 kilo in weight, which it can handle without any problems at all. Here the model is lifting just under 2 kilos in weight. It can just about manage this, however it is causing the model to rock forward and become unstable. Compared to the standard model, which has the plastic motor driven gears in the arm, this is a very expensive model. However, having said that, the model, as mentioned, is all metal and does have quite a bit of certainly lifting power. Although expensive, this excavator is a fraction of the price of the fully hydraulic models and is approaching the performance of hydraulic models. We'll leave you in peace to watch the rest of the model in action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification and give us a thumbs up. See you soon. Bye.